Hello, it's Monica, and it is time for day number 8 in our hashtag Flower Craft Fest. Today we're going to create super quick and simple bookmark, and if you haven't heard about Flower Craft Festival, we've got the hashtag Flower Craft Fest, and there are some amazing crafters taking part in this collaboration, including Benita, Katarina, Lisa, Marta, Mel, myself, and Monica Papermona. In the description down below, I left the link to the free calendar and also my Flower Festival digital collection because I'm going to use it for today's project. Here I've got 2 3/4 by 6 3/4 of an inch 300 GSM white card. And from my Flower Festival collection, I chose this beautiful design paper. And again, it is 2 3/4 by 6 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to assemble them together using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue. And I can't believe it is day number 8 of Flower Craft Festival because there's only one more video coming on Friday. And I can't wait to actually see every single project. And if you would like to check all the amazing crafters taking part in this collaboration, Benita, Katarina, Lisa, Marta, Mel, Monica, Paper Monam, there is also Denise and Jenny. I left the links in the description down below, so you can have a look. So here, as you can see, I rounded the corners because I really wanted this bookmark to be super special. And what's really good about this project, it is super quick and perfect for the 1st of September when you know someone who's going to go to school for the first time. From my flower festival collection, I fussy cut those beautiful flowers. I'm going to adhere them like a border on my bookmark. Super quick and simple, right? So you can choose whatever is in your stash. And I'm pretty sure the recipient will absolutely love the bookmark. I absolutely love reading books, and my favorite type of a bookmark is this shape because it is very easy to carry and it's usually smaller than a book. And that's what I really like. I don't really want to damage my bookmark, so when it's inside the book, it is absolutely perfect. So as you can see, my border is nearly ready with those beautiful flowers. And here I decided to have yellow, pink, and purple everywhere. Now it will be time for a sentiment to make this bookmark really special. So I decided to use my cutting dice, and this is the Polish brand. Craft a new design, and I die cut all the letters I need. Of course, you can choose whatever sentiment you want. You can also print it as well to make it very special for the recipient. So here are the cutting dies. I absolutely love them. They're perfect for any single occasion. And what's really good about this font, it looks like a typewriter. Here, as you can see, I'm using my low tack tape just to make sure all the letters are on the line because I really want them to be super straight. As you can see, I put reading is mine at the bottom because I'm going to adhere it first. And then I'm going to put super power. And the trick here is to line it up on your grid mat, then put low tack tape and then couple of drops of liquid glue. And if you do have any excess of the liquid glue, you can get rid of it really easily on your hand. And that's what I'm going to do. As I told you, on Friday, we're going to have our last video in hashtag Flower Craft Fest. And if you haven't taken part yet, I really encourage you to give it a go because throughout August, we all together are going to have 9 tutorials for you. And don't forget to check Benita, Katerina, Lisa, Marta, Mel, and Monica Papermona because their projects are absolutely amazing. And there is also Jenny and Denise as well. And if you'd like to take part in this challenge, all you have to do is to use that hashtag Flower Craft Fest on your social media so we can see your beautiful creations. Here I'm getting rid of the excess of the glue using my pokey tool. I usually do it before the glue dries completely. So this way no one is going to see it later on. And what do you think about the color font I chose for this bookmark? Do you like it? Because this is one of my favorite colors. Here, as you can see, I'm peeling off the tape and you have to be super careful when you do it. And if it doesn't work, like here, you have to do it from the other side. And then I'm going to add a tiny bit of glue on that sunflower, and my bookmark is complete. Now we're going to wait until the glue sets properly and you can use it. How cool is that? Have you ever created a bookmark? If you haven't, I absolutely encourage you to do it because many people like to read books, and I think this is such a pretty gift. And you can also insert it in your beautiful handmade card as well for a birthday, name day, or any other occasion. So our hashtag Flower Craft Fest is absolutely amazing, and don't forget to check Benita, Katerina, Lisa, Marta, Mel, Monica, Paper Mona. And thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!